Hello mga tanto ko. So, today, we are here in the association. Yan. So, magpiplay tayo ng dice game, no? Dahil it's a mooncake, it's autumn festival sa Chinese. So, may tradition na ginagawa. So, if you would see, yan, lahat yan per table. So, we'll show you the game.
Sa last daw po, sa last. Ito yung mga pag ganito, ito makukuha. Hindi. Kapag ito, tatlong way, ito. Pero dapat dito na.
Opening? Handsome? Putin na, putin nila.
No. Told you. 2-4. Wala na. Wala na. Wala.
Okay guys, i-tour ko kayo sa mga tables na naglalaro. Yan. Nakakatuwa kasi this is a tradition that we do. Yan. So, ito yung tradition, no? So, it's a dice game. Ang saya lang niya, masaya siya dahil may mga angpaw, there's money, there's gifts, no? So, ayan, balik tayo sa table. Okay guys, on the last row, yan. And good news, alam nyo kung sino nakakuha yung Chongwan? Si Mami. Mami. Exciting kasi ito na. Okay guys, walang kupas on a yearly basis. Congratulations. Oh, grabe. Happy? Okay, so we're done with the dice game and everyone was so happy dahil talagang ang daming prizes na nakuha, cash prizes. And yun lang, it's a yearly thing that we do with the Cantonese Association, no? So ang saya lang. Siyempre, di ba, at the end of the day, ito yung mga bagay na we pass on to the next generation, yung they also enjoy itong mga culture na ginagawa natin, no? Itong mga yearly thing, lalo na sa mga association. Ito what we attended a while ago is a Cantonese association, and yun. Guys, yun nga, nakakatuwa lang dahil pati yung mga kids nag-enjoy, no? So always enjoy life, stay happy, para walang anxiety. Till the next video. But guys, please subscribe on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Tantuko TV, TikTok, and Instagram. See you!